In this video, are we now expecting a Bitcoin bounce? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So diba sa mga previous video natin, we mentioned na we are expecting bearish days because of this bearish cross nga sa stochastic RSI. So that's why we have been seeing the downtrend movement in Bitcoin. And take a look at that. It has played out exactly as how we have been predicting Bitcoin is going to do. So right now, yung bearish movement na yun na sinabi ko sa mga previous video has actually played out exactly. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So this is one of the reasons why hindi pa ako gumagawa ng videos for the past few days, kasi inaabangan ko yung indicators mag-form dito sa daily time frame as well as in the 4-hour time frame. Well, ang pinakang kailangan tingnan natin dito is sa 4-hour time frame, it has to form a bullish divergence wherein the price is declining while RSI is consistently increasing. But as you can see, we have started declining dito, but as you can see, nag-stall na siya, nag-consolidate na siya dito. Hindi na siya lalo siya bumaba, but the RSI is increasing, so those can be somewhat of a good sign na we might see a bullish reversal. But ako honestly, mas prefer ko na makita na bumagsak pa siya further. Mas bumagsak pa siya further, maybe around the 58k, na bumagsak sana siya ng 58k at umangat yung RSI niya, para kahit paano mag-form na yung bullish divergence dito kay Bitcoin, para in that case, we have a confirmation na dito. So right now, that is what I am waiting for the 4-hour time frame. Looking at this, at the stochastic RSI, you will find na we have finally formed a bullish stochastic RSI cross nga dito kay Bitcoin. So even though in the 4-hour time frame, wala pang confirmation, the daily time frame is telling us na there is an initial confirmation na we might see a Bitcoin bullish movement dito following this bullish stochastic RSI cross. And as you can see, if you're also going to zoom this one out in the weekly time frame, we are about to lose the bearish momentum dito, and it's about to form the next, maybe within the next 2 weeks, magpo-form na siya ng bullish stochastic RSI cross. So right now, there are a lot of good signs forming na nga dito with the Bitcoin price action, both in the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame. And if you're going to look at this in the monthly time frame, may bullish stochastic RSI cross din tayo sa monthly time frame. So right now, the bearish momentum are actually about to lose na, nauubos na yung mga bearish momentum, and it's looking like nag-gain na siya na magkaroon ng bullish momentum. So in this case, I will be waiting this one out for a confirmation both in the 4-hour time frame as well as daily and weekly confirmation doon sa tatlong yon. Once na magkaroon ng tatlong confirmation, I will be opening a long position dito kay Bitcoin for the very short term dito. And as for my long-term trades, wala akong kinakalikot doon. Naka-open pa din lahat yon. And di ko siya ginagalaw dito for the time being dito with the Bitcoin price action. And I guess that's all the update na pwede natin mabigay dito. And take note guys, yung Apple Watch SE giveaway, right now I am compiling the results ng survey, and I will be announcing it within my next few videos kung sino mananalo. And then, of course, i-message ko sila sa Instagram kung nanalo. So, make sure na you have your Instagram open, and make sure na yung sinabit yung submission is valid yung Instagram account nyo, kasi dun ko sasabihin if sino yung nanalo ng Apple Watch SE giveaway natin. But anyway, I guess that's all the update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.